Hello, I'm Guy Woodford, and I'd like to bring you answers to some of the key questions addressed in the third World Highways Roundtable on connected construction. Interoperability is thought by many to be one of the keys to wider adoption. To what extent is progress being made on the interoperability between major suppliers' technologies that we heard about in the first Connected Construction Roundtable?
Trimble's very engaged in the ISO work that's going on at the moment. I'm going to remember the name, the ISO 15143-4 standards.
Very good.
And the representatives we have on the committee tell me that that work is going very well, and that we certainly are optimistic that that will be the key to the interoperability between the different technology vendors. There is a high level, I would say, of customer interest in this. We have large customers who run different machine control technology across their fleet, and they are pushing hard for the industry to cooperate and collaborate. And where our customers go, we go. So we're certainly in support of that.
And Murray, your take on this, and how difficult is it for you to all sort of work together in this area?
It really hasn't been that difficult. As Elwin said, our customers are asking for it. They want it. So we've also all have been involved in that ISO. There's actually 3 different pieces that they're focusing on. So the first is the file format. So you have a common file format that everybody can use. And then it gets into a radio, a communication. And then this last one would be the RTK format. And the OEMs are all engaged. The belief maybe is by the end of this calendar year that there may be a standard in place, but it's been ongoing because you've got so many different entities into it. So it's progressing, and it will eventually get there.
Thank you. And Magnus, what are some of the things, as Murray said, that are going into it? That's an intriguing term. What are some of the challenges that you're looking to overcome on this?
I think many of the things have been said clearly about it, and I think ISO is driving and helping us to drive towards this, to help the customers, and that's our main focus, to make sure that we make it easy and simple for them. But we also have a company, all of us, we're trying to make sure that our ecosystems work and make sure that that functions. But I think that's the good thing about the ISO standardization, that it's not requiring us to change things internally. It is basically doing this externally with cloud connections, because we have a long history of different formats and things, all of us, and any company, by the way, if it's us or anyone else. So for us to change things internally would be, a huge task. That's something that is almost impossible, I would say. But the function of the cloud setup, I think, is brilliant. I think that is something that will drive the business, and agree, the OEMs are completely connected into this. And I think the industry as a whole has been requiring and needing this for a long time. So I just believe everything is going the right direction. It's a good thing for the industry. It's a good thing for all of us.